1 minus 5 gives us negative 4. And here we have 1 minus 6, which equals negative 5. So negative 5 times negative 4 equals positive 20. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 minus 5, which equals negative 4. So we have 1 minus 6, then times negative 4. Now in this expression we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 6 times negative 4 gives us negative 24. So we have 1 minus negative 24. Now negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 1 plus 24, which equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 25.